Hey guys, hope you're ready for another sound lesson. We've been doing a lot of these lately, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then together we're going to clap the sounds in that word. So first, your first word is cute. Say cute. Good. Sounds. Cute. Good. All right. Your next word is huge. Say huge. Good. Sounds huge. Huge. Awesome. Your next sound is flute. Say flute. Good. Sounds oot. Flute. Good. Your last word is tune. Say tune. Good. Sounds tune. Tune. Awesome. I hope you guys were listening to those words because there were two different sounds in the middle of those two words, and those are the sounds that we are going to be focused on today. So, when you have a word that has a U consonant E, it can have two different sounds. The first sound is very similar to what we've been learning with the other long vowel sounds. So, I want you guys to go ahead and take a look. Sorry, this got a little messed up. That's okay. I want you guys to go ahead and take a look at my first word on this board. This word has a U consonant E, okay? This word is mule. The sounds are M, U, O. This is a long U sound. When we put an E at the end of the word, sometimes it makes a sound like U. M, U, O. Mule. We're going to practice this a couple of times. When there's no E, it says cut, cut. However, when we go ahead and we add our magic E, we turn that short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. The long vowel sound looks like this. Cute, cute. See how we went from cut to cute. That was a short vowel sound in cut, long vowel sound in cute. Very good. This has no E at the end. It is a short vowel sound. This word is us. Us. I'm going to go ahead and add my magic E, and now it is my long vowel sound of you. Say you. Good. Now it says use. Use. All right. Down here we have hug. Hug. As soon as I add my magic E at the end, it now turns into a U sound. This word is now huge. Huge. Very good. Something that is really important for you to notice with these words, this E is silent. The E does not say anything. The U says you because that's its new long sound, but the E is silent. So this word is mule. Say mule. This word is cute. Say cute. This word is use. Say use. This word is huge. Say huge. Good job, guys. All right, the other sound that we can hear with a U consonant E is an oo sound. Say ooh. Good. We see it in flute. Say flute. Oot. Flute. We also hear it in the word tune. Say tune. Good. Tune. If you get to a word that you don't recognize, but it has a U consonant E, you might need to try out both sounds to see what makes the most sense. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and put our knowledge to the test. We are going to read some words. All right, some of these words have long vowel sounds. Some of these words have short vowel sounds. You need to use the knowledge that we have learned and that we have practiced to put it all together and to read these words. All right, I'm going to give you a chance to say the sounds and then blend, and then I'm going to do it and you're going to check your work with me. All right, ready, sounds. Blend. Good. Long. Long. All right, we've got our long U in this word, our long U sound. So look at the word, sound it out, and blend. Good. I know that a long U says U or ooh. So I'm going to try it with both of them to see what makes the most sense. Use. Use. That sounds good to me. This word is use. All right, again, we have a long vowel sound, but this time it's our long I sound. Say the sounds. And blend. Good. Mine. Mine. All right, up here, we have a long O sound. What sound does that say? Good. It says O. Say your sounds. And blend. Very good. We have smoke. Smoke. All right, down here. Is this a long vowel sound or a short vowel sound? Good. It's a short vowel sound. Sound it out. And blend. Hunt. Hunt. All right, down here. We have a silent E at the end. Does that make this a long vowel sound or a short vowel sound? Good. I know when I see this silent E at the end, this is going to be a long vowel sound. And a long O says O. Sounds. And blend. Very good. Rope. Rope. All right, awesome job. Today for our sight word practice, we have the word boy. I know a boy who likes to play soccer. Boy. My turn, read boy. My turn, read boy. My turn, spell B-O-Y. Boy. Your turn, read. Your turn, read. Your turn, spell. Good. All right, fingers in the air. B-O-Y. Boy. Very good job. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to practice some more of our other sight words. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up the sight word. You're going to get 3 seconds to say that sight word out loud, and then I'm going to say the word. And you can check what I say with what you say to make sure you are saying the correct word. Alrighty. Ready? Read. Every. Does. Women. Mother. People. Where. Little. Her. Both. Out. Have. Brother. There. Good. Again. other, saw, look. Do you remember? Boy. Very good job. Alrighty, we are going to go ahead and do some guided spelling, and then we are done. Alrighty, your first word is same. Dante and Lynn are reading the same book. Same. Really think long and hard about the sounds that you hear in the word same. Remember, this is how we get our long A sound. Same. Once you have a word written down, please read it back to yourself to make sure that you have all of the sounds that you think you have written down. Same. Same. If this is the word that you have written down, you are correct. Remember, we need this E at the end to make the A long vowel sound that says A. Otherwise, we just have Sam. But we wanted same. 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 Alrighty, your next word is use. Use. We use wipe-off boards to practice spelling. Use. Think about the sounds that you hear. How do you get that U sound in there? Don't forget, this is what helps us with that long U sound. Use. Once you have something written down, please read it back to yourself to make sure all of your sounds make sense. Use. If this is what you have written down, you are correct. Remember, we need that E at the end so that my U says you, so we can have use. Use. All right, your last word is a sight word. It is mother. I went to the beach with my mother. Mother. This is a sight word, so you can't sound it out. Hopefully you remember how to spell it. If you're having a hard time, it might be a good idea to practice some of your sight words. Mother. Alrighty. If this is what you have written for mother, you are correct. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. If you had a hard time with that, or maybe you didn't spell it correctly, please take the time now to make sure you have written down the exact correct spelling that I have on my board. It's important that you guys are spelling this correctly. And so if you need to go ahead and practice it, now is a good time to